So we've got an older version of the suction cleaner that I repaired in the last video. This one is a PoolVac Ultra, and same thing, it's not moving around the pool properly. So we're going to open this one up, and it's probably a bearing problem, but you'll see that it's a different type of turbine assembly. So let's get the screwdriver out again and go for it. Okay, so you can see that's a different kind of bearing, well, turbine, sorry. And we have these A-frames, and they've got two sets of bearings, and it's pretty obvious that one's hardly spinning, that one's spinning, and that one has just collapsed and fallen apart properly. So we'll be replacing the A-frame kit, and it should be as good as new. Why do these fail? Oftentimes there'll be an object that gets sucked up, and you know, like a palm nut or something like that, and if it isn't removed quick enough, this mechanism will just be grinding away, and that can prematurely age these bearings. So yeah, we'll get the new A-frame kit in and have another look at it. This job is a little bit trickier because these side pods have to be removed to remove the A-frame assembly and then install the new one and put them back on. So I've got a variety of tools, some very sophisticated tools available there to help me. So okay, I'm not going to bore you with the weight to get this off, so I'm going to get it off and then come back. Yeah, so what doesn't help is that this cleaner has been standing out of the pool for some time, so everything's dried out, and I think sometimes that moisture can help as a bit of a lubricant to enable these parts that basically press in and get pulled out to remove. So this needs to be just pushed out now that I've removed that screw there. So again, I'm going to switch off now, get that off, and let's take it from there. Okay, so it took a bit of firm prizing apart, but I got those two pods off. See, those press into those slots, so that gets quite difficult to take them apart once they've been sitting together for a long time. Okay, so we're going to replace all of that. It's all included in the kit. There you go. Cool. So that's what a new set of bearings looks like. Oh, I just need to push these pods back on. squeeze them in. It's okay. Okay, we want those nice and firm. Put the caps back on. Squeeze those in. It's spinning nicely. Sitting back in nicely. You can see this old bearing housing a couple of the ball bearings. And we're also going to need to replace the flap kit. Okay, we're just going to replace these flaps. Can be a bit tricky. In fact, very tricky. Okay, I'm going to turn off while I do this and we'll come back once I've got them in. Okay, it was a pretty tight fit, but there's a certain amount of flex in these flaps, and with the help of a screwdriver I managed to slot it in, and so there we go, job done.